In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks. This process can be a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with the platform, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step, making it as straightforward and as simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to go to QuickBooks Online. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL, or search for it to make sure you're on the correct site. Once you're at the website, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in your email and password that you normally use to log into your QuickBooks account. After entering your credentials, hit the sign in button to gain access to your QuickBooks environment. Once you're signed in, head over to the settings menu. This can usually be found in the upper right part of your dashboard. Clicking on it will give you a drop down menu. From there, select all lists. It's important to familiarize yourself with these lists as they'll come in handy for a range of tasks in QuickBooks. Now you need to click on payment methods. This should take you to a screen where you can manage various ways your business receives payments. It's quite a useful tool if you're handling diverse payment types. Look through the payment methods and find the check option. It's essential to ensure you're dealing with the correct payment method, especially when you need to make changes like voiding a transaction. Select check to proceed. With checks displayed, it's time to run the report. Find and click on the Run Report option. This action will generate a report listing your checks, and it helps in confirming which checks need to be voided if you have multiple transactions to review. From the report, locate the check you wish to void by clicking on its date. Clicking the date will allow you to view all details of that particular transaction, so give it a moment to fully load. Once you have the check open, navigate to the bottom of the page and select the More option. This will extend a menu with further actions you can take on this transaction. From these new options, click on Void. This action will start the process of voiding the check, but you'll need to verify your decision. QuickBooks does this to ensure that no checks are voided accidentally. Lastly, a confirmation window will appear. Simply click on Yes to finalize the voiding of the check. And with that, your check is now voided within QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through QuickBooks to void a check. By following these steps, you can ensure that your records remain accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.